Hello dear fans. How to calculate the capacitance of a capacitor. A capacitor is a device capable of storing electrical charges. The amount of accumulated electrical energy in a capacitor is characterized by its capacity. It is measured in farads. It is believed that a capacitance of 1 farad corresponds to a capacitor charged with an electric charge of 1 coulomb with a potential difference of 1 volt across its plates. Instructions. Step 1. Determine the capacitance of a flat capacitor by the formula C equals SEE0/D, where S is the surface area of one plate, D is the distance between the plates, E is the relative permittivity of the medium filling the space between the plates. In vacuum it is equal to unity, E0 electrical constant equal to 8.85418781710 F/m. Based on the above formula, the capacitance value will depend on the area of the conductors, on the distance between them and on the material of the dielectric. The dielectric can be paper or mica. Step 2. Determine the relative permeability of dielectrics according to special tables. For paper, its value will be 3, 5, for mica 6, 8 to 7, 2, for porcelain 6, 5. This figure shows how many times the force of interaction between charges in a given environment is less than in a vacuum. Step 3. Calculate the capacity of a spherical capacitor by the formula C equals 4 PE0 R superscript 2/D, where P is the number pi, R is the radius of the sphere, D is the size of the gap between its spheres. The value of the capacitance of a spherical capacitor is directly proportional to the radius of the concentric sphere and vice versa proportional to the distance between the spheres. Step 4. Calculate the capacity of a cylindrical capacitor by the formula C equals 2 PEE0L R1/R2 R1, where L is the length of the capacitor, P is the number pi, R1 and R2 are the radii of its cylindrical plates. Step 5. If the capacitors in the circuit are connected in parallel, calculate their total capacitance by the formula C equals C1 plus C2 plus Cn, where C1, C2, Cn are the capacitances of the parallel connected capacitors. Step 6. Calculate the total capacity of the series connected capacitors according to the formula 1/C equals 1/C1 plus 1/C2 plus 1/Cn, where C1, C2, Cn are the capacitances of the series connected capacitors. Thanks for watching.